War Day number 539. Yes, 539. Days ago, the war has started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome today on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, August the 16th, 2023. We have here in this daily newspaper two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku and the Tectonic. aka Jigsaw Sudoku, 9 by 11. This one is 9 by 11. We have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the ladder Sudoku, 2 stars, 0 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Another Tectonic, but this one is 8 by 11, not 9 by 11, but 8 by 11. In Dutch they call it cyber block, in Japanese Suguru. And here we have also another one with 1 star, Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle, in Japanese Taguzu, yes. And these are puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve in the evening, 4 of them. But first, let me start with these 2 regular puzzles. Medium Sudoku number 6930. Yes, 6930. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, with 26 printed digits, it should be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. We have 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, don't need 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1, okay. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1. Cannot continue with 1 now. Need to wait. Need to wait. 9, 9. Okay. We have 8 here. Yeah. 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row. So the row above, don't need 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the middle column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 4, 4. 2, 3. 2, 3. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright, 2, 3, 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright, 2 missing numbers now in this big square for the must. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. Alright. Let me mark those boxes, 2 and a 3. Okay. Then. Yeah. 6. 7. Interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here, 1 in this row, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Still cannot continue with 1. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and a 9. We have an 8 and a 9 in this row. So no 8 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. 8 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. 2, 4, 7. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 4, 7. 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7. And look, we have 2 and a 7 in this column. So no 2 and a 7 in this box. 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. Alright. Okay. Now, 395. 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers in the last column are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9. 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9. And look, we have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. Here, another 5 in that row, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. So the 3 and the 9 are left. Well, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Alright. Okay. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5. Okay. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. Okay. Yeah. I'm still thinking. 2, 2. 4, 4. And I'm thinking. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are in the middle column. The 1, the 2 is missing, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And look, we have 3 and a 4 in this row. So no 4 and a 3 in this box. 4 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 4 and 3, 4 and 3. We have a 4 here in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. So 1 digit left for the number 2. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. We have 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then cannot continue with the 2 now. Need to wait. But we have here 6 missing numbers in the second column. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 in the second column could be here, or there. We see another 3 in this row, no 3 there. Here, 3 in the last row, no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. Alright. 3, 3, 3, 3, yes. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the third row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the first column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here, 3 in this row, no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row, so the first row, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. Here, 3 in the column next, no 3 there, so the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in the last row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square. For the number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. No. We have a 2 here. The 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. Alright. 7. I need a 1 here. 5. Yep. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6. The 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 5, 6, 5, 7, 9. 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9. And look, we have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in this box. So the 5 could be here, could be there. The 7 and the 9 are left. Well, overlooked. We have a 7 and a 9 in this row, so no 7 and 9 in this box. So the only place left for the 5 should be here then. So the 7 and 9 goes there. Okay, 7 and 9, okay. 5 and a 6, we have a 5 now. In this first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 6 goes there. 6, 6, 6. 5. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column. Only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We see 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 in the third row, no 5 there, so the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We see 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there, and all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 5. Okay. Alright. 1 box left in the last column for number, I believe, the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. 7 and a 9. We have a 9 now in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. Alright. Then 7 in the last row. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in a row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 7 and 2, we have a 7 now in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 2 goes there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 7. 2, 2, 2, and the 6. Well. 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 2. 8 and then 9. Well, one box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there we see a 4 in this column. Second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 missing numbers in the second row. Third row. Correction. Third row. Those numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from us. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 8 and 9, we have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from us. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 9 goes there. 1 box left in this second row for number, I believe the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for the rest. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 6 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well. Well, definitely 2 stars. Yeah, maybe I talked too much in the beginning, but it's 2 stars. Yes, a 2 stars puzzle, and I like this one. Yes, I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with a second regular puzzle, Tectonic 9x11, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. Alright, see you then. Bye bye for now.